What's going on, YouTube family? This is Tony Taylor, the barber coach. Got a quick draping video for you guys. I take a neck strip, stretch it out, and I put the X formation in the back. I like to do this method because it gives me a wide enough spacing for when I put the cape on. The neckline of the cape must always come into contact with the neck strip. This is very important. That's the purpose of the neck strip in haircutting draping. Now, as we go on, I have another method of doing this. I would like to call it the interlocking method. So I still would come around with the neck strip using the X formation, but the difference is I take the right portion of the neck strip and I tuck it around the whole of the neck strip so it is pretty much locked in place. This is one of the methods that I usually use, especially for the children, because they have a tendency to move a lot. And again, as you can see, the neck line of the cape comes into contact with the paper. All right, so look at this video again and again and again, you guys, and man, peace and love to you. Barber Coach.